Welcome to our channel where today we'll unlock the simple secrets to logging into your Adobe Stock contributor account. Without any hassle, welcome to our channel. Your journey to becoming a successful Adobe Stock contributor starts here, and logging into your account is the first important step. Let me walk you through this process in clear and simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the official Adobe Stock contributor website URL. Once the page loads, you will see the login button prominently displayed at the top right corner. Click on this login button to proceed. This will take you to the Adobe sign-in portal, where you will need to enter your registered email address or Adobe ID. Make sure you type in this information accurately without any extra spaces. After entering your email ID, click Next, and you will be prompted to enter your password. For security reasons, ensure your password is strong and remember it well. Once you enter your password, click the sign-in button. If you have enabled two-step verification on your account, you will be asked to provide the security code sent to your mobile device or email. Enter this code carefully and submit it. Now you are successfully logged into your Adobe Stock contributor account. From here, you can upload images, explore sales reports, update profile details, and much more. If you forget your password, don't worry, just click on the Forgot Password link beneath the password field. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password securely. It's also important to note that you should always log out from public or shared computers to keep your account safe. In addition, make sure your internet connection is stable during the login process to avoid interruptions. That's it, you're all set to start your creative journey with Adobe Stock by logging in easily and safely. Don't let technical barriers stop you from sharing your amazing work with the world.